Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we'll be checking out this 3-in-1 hand truck, and KEDSUM was nice enough to send this over to us. Now this thing has a 600-pound capacity. I've been using it for the last 2 weeks or so to wheel stuff in and out of my studio, do lots of product reviews, load this bad boy up, take it in there, and then take stuff back out. Look how compact this is. Really nice. You just push the button on here. You can raise it higher, or you can raise it even higher. And then it turns into like your regular dolly type thing right there. It's got a couple different ways that you can do this. So we'll go ahead and put this down right now, and we will lift this up. This thing here locks into place, and then you can lift this up, and boom, right there you go. You have a really big hand truck, and then we can push this down if you don't want that in the way. As you saw, this does extend. So if you want to put some stuff back here, you can. Has some really nice locking wheels on here. Locking wheel there, locking wheel there. And then you can make it smaller. There we go. There's the smaller version right there. And this can fold up or fold down in any of those configurations as well. And then whenever you're done, you just push this down, lift this up, this folds down, this folds up, and boom, it's back to being really compact. So overall, this thing is super nice. I know my mother-in-law, she does like estate sales. They're always moving stuff around. Whenever I was younger, we used to sell tons of Beanie Babies. We'd go around and do like Beanie Baby sales, have big tubs. This would have been great back then. So yeah, you can use this thing for anything. Go ahead, check this one out. Like I said, it's from KEDSUM.